Hey there, welcome to Content Tech Time. Today we're taking a look at the QRD Stellar T5 wireless Joy-Cons for the Switch. Featuring 8 colors of LED lights, button mapping and turbo functionality, macro back keys with a micro switch button, and a Hall effect joystick. It says it's for the Switch, but since it's a Bluetooth controller, I can use it with anything, right? Like my phone or my PC. This guy's a pretty decent size. Definitely bigger than the regular Switch Joy-Cons with the dog ears. Got some cool designs on it. I love the see-through plastic. Fully detachable. So here's what this looks like in pieces here. You got the middle section and you got the 2 Joy-Cons. Comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable. Oh, looks like you can swap out the D-pad? That's cool. I wonder how that works. You have to like open up the controller? Not seeing anything about replacing the D-pad on here. This is a replacement D-pad, right? Oh, the controllers have individual USB-C slots on them, so you can charge them like independently of the dock. That's pretty cool. I figured it out. The D-pad just slides right out of there. So if you don't like that kind of D-pad, you can put in that kind of D-pad. Oh, that's cool. I like that so much better. It's like you can switch between like old school Nintendo D-pad and like this more standard now Xbox D-pad. So let's try it out with an actual Switch. We're gonna slide these right off of here. Slide that onto there. Ooh, that's cool. Yeah, this is nice. So far, so good. Yeah, these are nice and comfy. I like this. D-pad feels good. Analog stick feels good. Nice and smooth. The triggers and bumpers feel good. Maybe just a little bit too noisy for my taste, but the responsiveness is great. They're very responsive. Let's see if we have our full range of motion here. Yeah. Left analog stick looks good. Snaps back into place. Right analog stick, same thing. Seems to be working pretty good. Let's try them detached. Paired nice and quickly, that's nice. Yeah, no major complaints. Seems to be working really well. Good job, QRD. If you're interested in getting one of these and supporting the channel, I'll leave a link to it in the video description below. And as always, thanks for watching.